I've been exploring the Virginia Lottery official app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Virginia Lottery app is a state-run mobile app for adults in Virginia who want to play lottery-style games, check results, and manage tickets from their phone. It is aimed at regular lottery players who like the convenience of digital tools and quick checks on the go. Core features include the ability to scan draw game tickets and scratchers to see if they are winners instantly, save favorite numbers, enter XDRA chances and other second chance promotions, and build a digital playslip before buying a ticket in store. These tools make it easier to keep track of numbers, avoid misreading tickets, and learn about new games as they're released. However, it's not without flaws. Some reviewers feel the gameplay and odds on online instant games are frustrating, describing long losing streaks and few bonuses, which can make the experience feel one-sided even though this is typical of gambling. At the same time, the app holds a strong overall rating of 4.6 out of 5 from around 67,000 ratings, with many users clearly satisfied, though a few mention issues like discontinued favorite games or confusion around demo versus real money play. Overall, this is a solid choice if you value convenience, easy ticket scanning, and direct access to official Virginia Lottery features from your phone. It may be less appealing if you are sensitive to streaky results, worry about spending too much on instant games, or prefer a more transparent sense of value from bonuses and promotions. For players who treat lottery games as entertainment and are comfortable with the inherent risk, the app offers a streamlined, user-friendly way to participate without visiting retailers as often. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.